Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error writing values new contents on registry issue in Windows 10. Select and right-click key, click permission. Select all application packages. Click Advanced. Click Change. Click Advanced. Click Find Now. Select your username. Click OK. Click OK. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Click Apply, OK. Check Full Control. Select Users. Select Full Control. Click Apply, OK. Now you can modify any registry value under this key. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.